Today, I'm proud to present the new electric rotating oven. This oven, what we've done in the past 2 days with it, from my standpoint, is amazing for not only a pizzeria and operator, but institutions and facilities that require high speed and a small footprint. As you can see behind me, I've been joking all day that they made this oven specifically for me because it's the perfect height. But with all kidding aside, the great thing about this is that this control panel is really the brains of this operation. Inside of this control panel, the electric oven gives you the ability to adjust top temperature and bottom temperature independently. So in one oven, this oven can make multiple styles of pizza or multiple types of dough with just a simple adjustment of these settings. You can also adjust the rotation speed, allowing you now to understand if you're making a traditional Neapolitan pizza that's going to bake in 90 seconds, or are you making something that's a little bit longer baked, like a Neapolitan pizza or an artisan craft style pizza that's maybe 2 to 2.5 minutes. The ability to launch the pizza into the mouth of the oven and then let it go one full revolution and just pull the pizza out and serve it is huge. There's no better way in efficiency than to be able to say, I don't need a person to stand in front of this oven all night. I can literally just continue putting pizzas in and taking pizzas out without having to turn them. Marra Forni already knew how to build an electric oven, and they knew how to build an electric very good. Marra Forni knew how to build a rotating oven, and they build a rotating oven really good. And it was really the job and the engineering and innovation at Marra Forni that was able to combine these two things into one. So what I'd like to do, I'm going to make a quick pizza for you. I'm going to show you how beautiful this oven works. Let's go. I launched it right in the front. Directly in the center here will be one full revolution. This oven right now is set up to 120 seconds, 2 minutes. So by the time the pizza travels all the way around, you're going to be right at 2 minutes and it's ready to pull out. This pizza is baking properly from the bottom because we have the proper amount of heat from the bottom elements of this oven. And then from the top, we also have the proper amount of heat. The cheese is starting to melt, and now we've got a quarter rotation left. So we're like 30 seconds left into the bake without touching this pizza at all. It's going to come to the mouth of the oven, and this pizza is ready to take out. There we go. We've arrived to the center point. This is a beautiful Neapolitan pizza. The other thing that I love too, and I don't know if you're going to be able to pick this up with the camera, but this is so crunchy on the outside. The undercarriage is baked perfectly. Beautiful spotting. This looks just like it came out of a wood-fired oven. This is an amazing pizza because of an amazing oven. Look at how beautiful. At the end of the day, this is a beautiful margherita pizza that would look just like it came out of any wood-fired oven anywhere around the world. I hope you learned something. Ciao.